大家好，我叫 Christina，我今日想挑戰自己喺1分鐘之內淨係講中文。OK，開始。我係其實加拿大出世長大，所以我係一個 CBC，即係我唔係好識中文，不過我細個時候睇下 TVB 劇集同聽家人同我啲少我啲朋友識得講中文，咁我哋會傾多數英文，不過有少少中文嘅。咁我今日係想挑戰自己，學下點樣再表達我個諗法喺1分鐘之內。我今日同啲朋友喺香港長大，一齊我哋食點心，咁我好想同佢哋傾好多偈，不過我傾唔到，我覺得好難，所以我想進步下。已經1分鐘啦。OK，其實好難嘅講中文，因為我好耐冇講。我嚟到倫敦個時候，我都係唔係好叻講中文，而家退步咗，更加退步咗，因為我唔同家人一齊，咁冇講咁多中文。OK，停啦。Thank you so much for making through this video. I know it's not my traditional video where I speak in English, but I really wanted to work on my Cantonese, and I hope you got to enjoy it. And I did my speech in a minute, which I stumbled a lot, but that's okay. We're working towards improvement here. So yeah, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.